Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have a very interesting tool in Adobe Illustrator. You can draw anything with this tool. I'm talking about pen tool. So let's start. Pen tool is used for drawing by points and lines. For example, I will select pen tool and I can make point like this and another one here to make a straight line, and I can also click on shift button to move 45 degree like this, or I can click and drag to make a curve like this. I have also curvature tool for making curves without lines, only curves like this. There are another thing. If I make a curve with curvature tool and I wanted to make straight lines, I can't make it because I have this arm. So I will break this arm first, and now I can make straight lines. Also I can make a curve like this and make another curve, and I can with direct selection tool move this arm like this to change my curve. I can also select anchor point tool and I can change any curve like this, and I have two arms to change my curve, or I can click on any point to make straight lines, and I can also make a curve from lines like this. Now I will make this design by pen tool. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.